Okay, good morning, everybody. Today is Wednesday, June 10th, 2026. You're in the live trading room, of course. You all know that. Let's get rid of the legal stuff here and just check my volume. I'm going to turn my volume up just a wee bit. Testing. There we go. Up here is yesterday's charts. Yesterday was the worst day I've had in 2 years. I'm not even going to go through all these trades. You can't even read them because they're so close together. But you can see that yesterday was mostly sell-off till about midday, and then the market made some comeback a little bit, made it about halfway back, retraced about 50% or a little less than 50%, but just had just massive sell-offs yesterday. And I was doing a lot of chasing yesterday, ended up with 18 trades for minus 216. Not proud of that. Not going to have that again. So I'm just going to move on here. Let me let in Kathleen. So Triple Q closed at 708.36, currently sitting at 701.85. No gap play today. I'm going to move forward up to real time. There we go. And let's head over to the option chain. Put that down there. And we've got 4,386,000 already traded in pre-market volume. Just tremendous amount of pre-market volume. I need to recenter my option chain here real quick. There we go. Take a look at it. And we can see that the strikes are out of balance right now, really waiting for all this pre-market volume to come in and figure into the options pricing on the option chain. So we will choose our strikes once we get in the first couple of minutes of the market. We get all this volume based in. And with that, I'm going to say good morning to Mr. Keith Frampton. Good morning, Keith.
Morning, Tim. Good morning, everybody. Yeah, interesting day yesterday. I had three trades up $1.79, so was able to trade well yesterday. This morning, we had the consumer price reports come out, and pretty much everything was spot on from what they had anticipated. So no big surprises. The prices of except food and energy were down just a tad, but everything else was right on what they were anticipated. Tomorrow we'll have the producer price index come out at 8:30 in the morning, and that's about it there. Oh, there'll be a 10-year bond auction at 1 o'clock today, and the monthly budget statement at 2 if you're trading this afternoon. That could change some things around a little bit too. Um, and I will be trading either the 18th of June or the 26th of June, likely expiration. Probably likely the latter. Seems we're getting close to expiration on that for that. And I think that's about it for me on any reports this morning. May or may not have a pop at the top today because there's no planned announcements at 10 o'clock today.
Okay, very good. Thank you, sir, for the report.
And hopefully Natty won't be hunting today on rabbits or birds. I had to rescue a bird and a rabbit yesterday.
Oh my goodness, what a little lioness you have there.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, we're coming up on 30 seconds. Just a reminder, have 20 cents between each of your hash marks on your charts, on the side of your chart, so that we're looking at the same size candles from day to day. Very important. Let me get what I'm referring to is this area here on the side of the charts. Okay, we're coming up on five. Here we go. In five, four, three, two, one. There's the bell. And all that pre-market volume is hitting all at once, and price is going up. Going up rather dramatically. All right, we've got broader indices in. Let me adjust this here a little bit and adjust that. All right, the Dow is down 262, Nas is down 175, S&P is down 37. And we've got our 5 minute MACD crossing over to the call side. Our 1 minute is already crossed to the call side. Not surprising with this big jump up, although it's coming down a little bit now. Price coming back down to where we started. Now it's heading down. Already up to 5,350,000 traded on the underlying. Let's see, on the option chain, boy, expensive today. Wait till a little bit before we quote the option chains because they're very expensive right now. Hopefully that'll come down.
Yeah, the spread between my bid and ask prices are pretty wide too. So hopefully that'll settle down here a little bit once we get into the market a little bit here.
Yeah. Okay, while we're doing that, I'm going to make an announcement here. Michael sent me this morning. The pattern day trading rules have changed. They're now in effect. Um, and you've got to keep a $2,000 minimum in your account rather than the 25,000 to trade on certain margins. Now, in order for TOS to approve it, you have to go to Charles Schwab website and then navigate to margins and options and apply for it. If you've had an account for over a year, it's pretty much automatically approved. Um, and Michael went on to say, I would stress to everyone to be very careful when trading on margin and not to go crazy. As I have said many times, quickest way to kill an account, especially chasing losses, right? Yes, as I was doing yesterday.
So
So, so
you say it's 2K versus 25K?
it's 2K now.
Wow, that's a huge change.
Yeah, yeah, it is. And it is in effect now. Price trying to come down. All right, so over on the put side, I'm not paying $8, that's for sure. Um, I'll be at the 704 on the put side. And on the call side, I'll be at the 698. Man, big sell-off there yesterday. We've been in a selling mode here for a few days. Price starting to rebound up a bit, quite a bit actually. Back up to VWAP. 'P. Wow, rising quickly. Lots of volume coming in. Price is rising pretty well. Price still climbing. Let's see, what did I say on the call side? I'll be at the 700 on the call side. I know things are expensive. You can go right at the money. I mean, you can pick a strike at the money. It's a lot more reasonable. All right. Looking at the 700 on the call side.
Tim, I think I'm going to put a demand zone there at the bottom of the first and second candle.
Yeah.
Normally, I would have put a supply zone at the top of that first candle, but we've already scooted past that pretty strong.
Blew through that.
Yeah. Wow.
Right, price is coming back down. Got to reset my option chain here a little bit. Looking at the 708 on the put side. 708, strike put, stand by. Yeah, it's backing up a bit. All right, stand by to get into this. I'm going to go ahead and pull the trigger on the 708, and it passed me right by. Try again. Pass me by again.
I'm looking at the 705. Wow, we're getting down close to VWAP though.
Yeah. Got price climbing again.
Yeah, zigzagging all over the place.
Yeah.
Boy, those tall bodies are tough to trade.
Yes. Yes, they are.
Hmm.
All right, let's head over to the call side. I'm going over to the 701 on the call side.
We'll look at the 703.
Yep.
I'm looking at the 18th of June expiration.
Okay.
All right, I'm going to try to get in on this here.
All right.
Pass me by.
Try to get in. Got in. All right. 785.
Got in at 1644.
Again, a bargain at any price. All right, stand by to get out of this. I'm getting out of this. I'm out. All right, I'm going to head back over to the 702 if this starts up again. Standing by on the 702 again. I'm going to enter the 702 again. Got in. 803. 6. Stand by to take some profit here. Let's go ahead and take some profit. Out at 897. 803 to 897. Get a little bit of a sell-off going here.
Try to get out of this. Um, Come on, get back up there.
Going over to the put side. Oh, I'm having to recenter my option chain every time this runs. Looking at the 711 on the put side.
Wrong direction. Wrong direction. Oh, I just missed the top of that thing too. I didn't fill and then started pulling back strong.
Mm-hmm. I know the feeling.
The move, they put a supply zone in there at the top of it.
way up there. Let's go ahead and add a supply zone up there.
Come on, get back up there at it.
Looking at the 710 on the put side, 710 strike put. Price is climbing again. Everything's been above 100,000. We've got 11,290,000 already traded on the underlying. We're about 5 minutes away from the pop at the top if we have one. And head over to the call side, to the 702 on the call side. Hmm. Still looking at the 702 on the call side, but price is coming back down again.
Come on, get back up there. In a minute to the pop.
Okay. Dow's down 188, Nas down 76, S&P's down 14.
It's the pop.
Okay. One minute MACD is in the put bias position, maybe turning back up here. 5 minute MACD is still above the control line, but heading down a little bit.
Wrong direction, wrong direction.
Hmm. All right, heading back over to the put side, to the 709 on the put side. If we could just get price to go in one direction for more than a few seconds. So it was pretty good pop. Had a rise in volume there and pretty good price movement. Unfortunately, it was in both directions. Yeah, price on the rise. Looking at the 702 on the call side, if this should continue through. Moving to the 703 on the call side. Stand by. Don't come down.
Yeah, come on, keep going up there. Oh, come on, get up there. Really had some issues getting across about 707 there.
Yeah.
Had some quite a few resistance getting above that.
Yeah, it seems to go up to that and fall back every time.
We did have the 1 minute MACD cross back over going up. Now it's crossed back over going back down. Come on, get on up there. Keep it moving up now. Keep it moving up. No, no, up, 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 up. Come on, you can do it. Get on up there.
Looking at the 703 on the call side. Yeah, just will not break.
Looking over your shoulder, Tim. Every time you say that, it changes direction.
I know. I'm going to shut up.
Get back up there to the supply zone.
Stand by the 703. I'm going to enter the 703. No, I'm not. It passed me right by. Moving to the 704 on the call side. He's heading back up. Looking at the 703 again on the call side.
Oh, up there.
Try to get into the 703. Got into it.
Get above that supply zone and keep going. Ah, come on, get on up there. Turkey.
See, every time you say turkey, it rises.
Yeah.
Get up there.
Come on, green, green, get up there.
Get back up there. Come on, get on up there.
That's it. Get on up there. There we go. That's what we want.
All the way up. All the way up.
Let's get some continuation going on up there.
I know, it's like a yo-yo.
Yeah, they keep getting some good, strong green candles, but then it turns right back around.
Yeah. Market makers playing with us today.
They're playing with us. Come on, come on.
Come on, let's get back up there.
Getting some lower volume candles in here too.
Mm-hmm. Get on up there. It's gonna break out one of these times.
Yep. Come on, come on.
We're in consolidation right now. Come on, market makers, step in. Let's get a trend going here.
Trend going up, please.
Yes, trend going up. Let's make sure we make that clear.
Come on, come on. Come on, get on up there. You have to pass the supplies in. Come on. Up, 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 up.
Got Dow is down by 193, Nas down by 29, S&P down by 2. Got price heading up. 60. Come on.
I've got a close order in if it gets up a little bit more.
All right, I went ahead and
And
just closed out.
it just filled. All
All
right.
right.
Got $1. 1644 to 1744.
All right, very good.
Yeah, I knew that.
Yep. Now it's taking off.
Golly.
And price coming right back down.
Did get both the NASDAQ and the S&P turned green a little bit.
Yeah. Well, for a moment anyway. Oh, there they go. All right, we got 15,598,000 traded on the underlying. Dow is down 208, Nas is up 8 now. S&P's up 1. Price finally did break through. Ended up getting a dollar on that previous trade.
Yep, same here. Yep, it's good. It's the only trade I've had today.
Mm-hmm.
I'll be back in a minute, Tim.
All righty. All right. We got both our hold on a second. Both our MACDs are in the call bias position. I've got two trades up about 75. Three trades up 75. Got price coming back down.
Sure, I walk away and it starts dropping again. Huh?
Yep. Price on the rise again. We're going to get a new supply zone up here. And we are. Got a new supply zone up here. So let's do this. Let's go ahead and duplicate that and bring it up here like so. I'm going to duplicate the price level, bring it right on top like so. And we'll turn this into a minor zone. There we go. Price coming down pretty severely. Got our 1 minute MACDs crossed and heading down. 5 minute MACD is heading toward a cross. All right, we're a little over an hour in. We got 265,000 traded on the underlying. Got the Dow is down 282, NASDAQ down 31, S&P down 9. Price heading back up. Got our 1 minute MACDs crossing over to the call side again. Got price breaking through the supply zone again.
Looking at the 708 on the call side.
All right. I'm looking at the 706 on the call side. Price coming down. Volume is built back up over 100,000. Yep, still wants to come down a little bit. Back down through the minor zone. Looking at the 705 on the call side.
I'll do the 706.
I'm going to go ahead and get into this. Pass me by. No, it just filled it. Okay. No, it didn't. I'm sorry, that wasn't me.
Wasn't me.
Somebody else in this house. Price coming right back down again to the minor zone. Bouncing off the minor zone. Wow, price really diving. I'm going to go over to the put side to the 7-Eleven on the put side. As it gets pushed back up. All the broader indices are negative again. Dow's down 357, Nas down 80, S&P down 17. But we do have price coming back up. Price heading back down. Y'all excuse me for a minute. I'll be right back.
I'm watching the 6, 7, 10 on the put side. I'm gonna try to get in on this here. Come on, pass me by. Yeah, yeah, pass me by again. All right, one more time. All right, in at 1514.
Oh, did you get in a trade?
I did put the 710 for 1514.
Okay, I'm looking at the 710 myself.
Come on, get back down there.
Boy, they're not making it easy today, are they?
No, that's it. Get down there. Get back down there. Hmm, There we go.
Got the 710 on the put side. I'm going to enter the 710. Yeah, try to. Cancel that. Try again. Got filled that time.
Come on, keep coming down. I'm down to VWAP. And we want red, 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 red. Cheesy peasy. There we go. Come on down. There we go. Come on, you can do it.
Come on. Go red.
Now, come on.
Come on down.
Or if they make charts different colors for those that are colorblind.
Yeah, it's a good question. Come
Come
on
on
down.
down. Come on down. Come on down, 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 down. There we go. Come on, come on. Down to VWAP there. There we go. Get down there. There we go. Get down. I got a close order at VWAP.
And I just closed out at 665.
I got in at 1514, out at 1566.
All right.
Mm, 52 cents. So two trades up $1.52.
Nice. I'm 5 trades up, buck 25. One, two, three, 4 trades up a buck 25.
Great.
So I will take it. After yesterday, I will take it.
I've had a fantastic week so far this week.
Yes, you have.
Give me 1 second and I'll tell you what it is. I'm up $4.12 for the week.
Nice. Boy, look at price diving now. Holy smokes.
Mm.
Boy, price has just been all over the board today.
Oh, it has. And just most of the time, short bursts.
Mm-hmm.
Just a reminder, everyone, as we look ahead, not this Friday, but next Friday, the 19th, I think it is. Yeah, the 19th. The markets are closed for Juneteenth Day next week.
Ah, thank you for the reminder.
Yeah, and I will be gone part of the week next week. Going to go out to the Ohio for a family reunion.
Oh, how's your mom doing, Keith?
Not good this week. She got a late last week. She got a respiratory infection, and she's coughing and sounds hoarse. And she sounded better yesterday, but she was still coughing a little bit, but she wasn't as hoarse. So
Mm,
I need to try to get back down later this month to see her also.
yeah.
That
Mm,
really seems to be going around.
Yeah,
does. Well, she's in our prayers.
thank you. Appreciate it.
All right, folks, we are at the top of the hour. We're going to go ahead and call it. It's been a good day. Hasn't been easy trades, but good trades nevertheless. And that's going to be it. It's going to be it
Yep.
for me today, and we'll see you all tomorrow morning.
Yep. Thanks, Tim. Thanks, everybody. Have a great day.
Okay, bye-bye, everybody.
Okay, thank you.